Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello viewers, how are you? I am Isa Khan. Welcome again to my English second paper class. Today I am here again to discuss some grammatical rules for completing sentences. Dear viewers, in my previous class I have discussed some structural sentences, and now I am also going to discuss some structural sentences for completing sentence. Dear viewers, you can see at the top of my example you can see that I have written since যখন সেন্টেন্সের মাঝখানে থাকে or since when used at the middle of a sentence. Dear viewers, you can see a structure at the very beginning of my writing. Number 1, present indefinite oblique present perfect plus since. Present indefinite oblique present perfect plus since plus past indefinite. Okay, let's give an example. It is many years since we saw him. Dear viewers, you can see it is many years. It is an example. Obviously it is an example of present indefinite tense, and we have used we saw him, the structure of past indefinite tense. So we can match with the structure like that. It is many years, example of present indefinite tense, and we saw him, example of past indefinite tense. Okay, at the structure number 1 we have also used present perfect tense. Okay, so I have given another example. It has been many years since we saw him. It has been many years is an example of present perfect tense. Obviously, subject plus have or has plus verb 3 plus object, and after since we have used past indefinite tense. We saw him. Okay, let's go to the next example. Past indefinite plus since plus past perfect. Past indefinite plus since plus past perfect. Okay, example, it has been many years. We should use it was many years. It was many years, past indefinite tense. It was many years since we had seen him, example of past perfect. After since we have used structure of past perfect, and before since we have used structure of past indefinite tense. Okay, dear viewers, you have to discover the similarities and dissimilarities between the two rules. If we compare the two structures, we can see that at the structure number 1 we have used present indefinite oblique present perfect before since, and we have used past indefinite after since. Okay, and at the time of structure number 2 we have used past indefinite tense before since, and we have used past perfect tense after since. Okay, so if you see that past indefinite at the beginning of the sentence or before since, if you see past indefinite tense, obviously we have to use past perfect tense, structure of past perfect tense after since. Okay, okay, let's go to the another rules, and which is about as if oblique as though. Dear viewers, you can see the meaning of Bengali meaning of this as if or as though. Number one, present indefinite plus as if oblique as though plus past indefinite. Example, he behaves as if he knew everything. He behaves, past indefinite tense, as if he knew everything. Example of past indefinite tense. Subject plus verb to plus object. Okay, let's go to the next rule of as if or as though. Past indefinite plus as if oblique as though plus past perfect. Past indefinite plus as if oblique as though plus past perfect. Example, he acted. Example of past indefinite tense. He acted as if he had known everything. Past perfect. He had known everything. If you can discover past indefinite tense before as if, you must have or you have to use the structure of past perfect after as if. So we have written that he had known everything. Dear viewers, thus you can complete a sentence using these structures. Without following this structure, you cannot complete your sentences correctly. So, to get a good mark in completing sentence, you must have the knowledge of structures or this kind of structures. Thus, you can get a good mark in completing sentences. Thank you, everybody. Thank you all.